This white canvas. Hey guys, today we are in Clark International Airport because we are finally flying to Bangkok. I've always wanted to visit Bangkok and I'm so happy it's finally happening this year, and we will be staying there for 4 days. You will be seeing a lot of sightseeing here in this vlog, as well as a lot of food trips and maybe shopping, a little bit of shopping. And just to give you guys a little bit of review, flying here from Clark for the first time, it's really a smooth process. The airport is so nice. It's actually spacious and ang ganda ng interior. I just hope that this is going to be like the NAIA once it is fully renovated. But yeah, I like flying here. By the way guys, I actually forgot to book my eSIM beforehand. So, ngayon pa lang tayo nag-book. I got it through Klook. What I got is a 10 gig data for 7 days. Pero, technically, 5 days lang naman kami doon. This is more than enough na for me. Yeah, this is how it goes. Once na nabili nyo na from Klook, automatically masasend na yung confirmation and you just have to activate it. So, let's click activate. Confirm, and then it says here it's activating. Click continue. Cellular complete. Okay. We're boarding. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Bangkok. We just finished our immigration and now we will be getting our bag. I can see it's in belt 17. So let's go. Kunin lang natin yung luggage natin, tapos mag-book na tayo ng Grab papunta sa accommodation natin. Nasa dulo pala yung belt natin guys. Belt 15 na tong nakikita ko. Tapos 16. Yeah, nasa bandang dulo tayo. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Yeah! Got it. Here is our luggage. Next step natin, magwe-withdraw na tayo ng money. Nag-withdraw na tayo ng 10,000 baht. So that's around 19,000 pesos roughly. Merong charge na 250 baht if you withdraw dito sa ATM. So kung marami kayo, you might want to withdraw the maximum, which is 20,000 baht. For us, ito mo. So let's go. Book na tayo ng Grab papunta sa hotel. Hey guys, nakalabas na tayo ng Suvarnabhumi Airport. So ayun sa likod ko yung airport. And then nandito lang tayo sa Grab pickup. Nag-book na tayo ng Grab natin on the way to the hotel. And yung binayaran natin is 337 or yung babayaran natin. But take note na merong toll changes yan. So it will be added by the end of the ride. Update ko kayo kung magkano yung naging final na total nito. Ang maganda dito sa Thailand guys, meron silang mga designated na Grab pickup. Tapos dito sa area na to, yung mga nabook nyo na car, paparada lang sila dyan. Ayan o. Nakaparada sila properly. So hindi sila nakaharang dun sa may entrance mismo ng airport. Which is great. Ang organized lang. I like it. We're just en route to our hotel. Guys, nandito tayo sa Jud's Fair and kakain lang kami dito. We found this halal place and okay yung prices nila and mukhang masarap din naman. So, dito na lang tayo kakain. We already ordered and it summed up to 438 baht. Beef pad krapao na may egg yung order namin. And then we bought water na sa hotel. Later, we'll check out the other stores. Baka meron tayong magustuhan for dessert like mango sticky rice. By the way, for our Grab, I forgot to update you guys, but the total that we paid for is 412 baht. This beef pad krapao with egg. Let's eat! Parang sakto lang siya for me. Yun na guys, bilihan ng insect. Thai tea. Guys, nag-order din tayo nitong pad thai from a different stall. Sana doon pala na kami kumain. Medyo mas mura to ng contest. This is 70 Thai baht. It's really good, guys, and it's cheap. Really love this. It's sweet and savory, and then you can put some lime on it just to cancel out the savoriness a bit. But this is really good. Hindi rin tinipid yung chicken and tofu. Guys, I'm checking out some caps kasi wala akong nadala. And then I really like this one. This particular one. It's 180 baht. So that's around like 300 plus pesos. Pero parang okay na. Magagamit ko naman siya. Kahit sa Pilipinas. Should I get it? I think I should get it. Yan! We got the goods. Oh my god. Day 1 pa lang budol na yung ate nyo. So ito yung store nila guys. Yan. Puro hats and caps. Yes. First day pa lang guys. Ang dami ko na nakikita mga cute stuff. Mahina tayo sa mga cute-cute na ganyan, no? Ang ganda. Watermelon. If you know me, you know that I like watermelon prints. So nice. Sinuot ko na yung hat na binili ko guys. Just to try it out. We're going home now. We're gonna rest because tomorrow is going to be a little bit of a busy day. We have some activities planned for tomorrow, so I guess we'll call it a night. So that's our day 0 here in Bangkok, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for our day 1. Good morning guys. It's officially our day 1 here in Bangkok, and today we are going straight to Icon Siam for our brunch. We're just waiting to book a ride. We're trying to book through Grab and through Bolt. If you don't know yet, may Grab dito sa Thailand, but meron tayong mas affordable option. Well, sometimes it's more affordable. Meron din namang times mas mura sa Grab, but you may wanna download Bolt before you come here para by the time that you're here, nakaset up na. Okay, so from Phetchaburi Soy, which is the location of our hotel, going to Icon Siam, it's 163 baht. Here in Icon Siam guys, And we're entering through the Suksayam area na agad. Ito yung area ng indoor street food nila. I'll show you. Soda. So many fruits. Gusto ko try yung coconut nila, guys. Ang bango. Insects. Wow, masarap to.
Chicken sauce.
Oh, this looks good. Chicken sausage, guys. Ito din. Wow. Parang ang sarap, guys.
Moving Suksayam has opened a dining area on
And reasonable yung prices, guys. 150 baht. We'll come back here, guys, a little later. We'll just go to Kubkao Kupla. Let's see if may available na table. And then we'll have our lunch there. And maybe we'll go here later for dessert. But I am seeing a lot of things that I want to try for myself. And aside from food, guys, meron din dito mga stalls that, carries jewelries, clothes, and mga pasalubong. Hindi lang siya puro food. So, umakyat lang kami dito sa 5th floor. Kasi based sa Google Maps, yung Kubkao Kupla is in the 5th floor of Icon Siam. Check natin, sana merong table kasi it's always busy and it's almost lunchtime. There is Kubkao Kupla, guys. And walang gaanong tao. Check natin yung menu nila. Ito yata yung best seller nila. We're seated here. And then, that's the view of the Chao Phraya River. So let's order. I wanna try their bestseller. Yung prices nila dito, medyo may pagka-pricey. But I guess kasi malalaki yung servings and you can share it. Guys, dumating na yung first order natin. This is crab meat fried rice. And then it comes with free soup. Andito na rin yung dalawang ulam natin, guys. This is squid with salted egg. And this is chicken with cashew nuts. Salted squid, crab fried rice. That was actually an exquisite meal. I love the fried rice. It's a winner for me. And the salted egg squid. The chicken, it's just okay. A little bit salty for my liking. But overall, good experience in Kubkao Kupla. Now, we're just going to be exploring the Icon Siam Mall. We're just gonna kill a couple more hours here before we go to the temple kasi it's 12:20 and it's gonna be too hot if we go straight sa mga temple. So, papababa muna tayo ng araw here. Nice store here, guys. Pasok tayo. Look at this, guys. I really like this. This is also so cute, guys. Meron siyang cherry jam. Sweet nothing. This one is 2,800 baht. 650 baht for mochichi. Cute. We're here in Loft, guys, and I am in stationery heaven. Oh, ang dami kong gustong bilhin, but I need to tipid kasi day 1 pa lang talaga. Nahihilig ako sa tennis lately, guys, and I kinda wanna cop itong Butter Bear na tennis. Ang cute! May smiskies din dito, guys. Gentlewoman, guys. I saw a gentlewoman store, guys. And just for funsies, wala naman akong plan pa bumili. But let's just check what's inside. Look, I like it. It's 1,290 baht. And I like how it's sitting on my shoulders. Relax lang siya. I also like this polka dot one, guys. Cute. Then, may mga tiny version ng totes nila. This is 590 baht. They have clothes too. This is really cute. It's 1990 baht. This is a pretty big store, but maybe I'll wait up until we go to the Siam Paragon or Siam Square na branch ng Gentlewoman before I make a pick. But so far, cute naman yung mga designs. We're inside Lululemon, guys. Wala nito sa Pinas, so magtitingin-tingin lang tayo in store. It smells so good. Ano kaya yung air freshener nila? Oh, maganda nito. This is 3,800 baht. Oh, this one I personally like. Ang ganda. 3,000 baht naman to.
Parang left.
Bumalik tayo dito sa Suxiam, guys, because I want dessert or drink just for a little pick-me-up before we do all the walking and exploring later. There, I found a mango sticky rice, guys. 100 baht. Meron din pala sila nitong parang jackfruit. 120 baht. I think I can make do with this. Bili tayo nito, guys. I'm gonna buy one. Sawadi ka, one of this. Kun ka. Got the good. Got my mango sticky rice. Let's just look for a place to eat this before we go. Mango sticky rice, coconut milk, Rice Krispies. Let's give it a try. We also got barbecue. This is chicken barbecue, guys, for 60 baht, and then beef barbecue for 80. Oh, mainit po. Wow, that is so good. Nakayak ko sarap. Let's try the barbecue. This is chicken. I want another bite. Ang sarap. This is beef, guys. It's also good, but a bit tough and chewy. Akin na lang tong last bite ng chicken. I really like it. Nagtanong tayo, guys, kung saan yung papunta sa ferry. And dito tayo tinuro. Yan, sa the veranda. Dito daw tayo lalabas. Yeah, I can already see the riverside. Ito siya. Ayun. Labas na tayo. Sana hindi ganun kainit. Yan. Mahangin naman siya, in fairness. Although it's 1:43 p.m. Kasagsagan pa ng araw. Ayan, ito yung view kanina nung kumakain tayo ng lunch. Ganda. Dito tayo galing kanina sa Icon Siam. And then, papunta tayo dyan sa mga boat area. Ayan yung bilihan ng ticket, guys. Tapos doon tayo papunta from Icon Siam, nakasulat papunta ng Wat Arun. So, that's double. Next na tayo sa Manila. From Icon Siam, puntang Wat Arun, 40 baht ang isa. Here's our ticket. We're sailing at 1350 or 150. It's 147. So, next na tayo. Dito daw.
พระบรมวัดอรุณราชินีรัชกาล
Dito tinuro eh.
แก่พระเนตรพระสาโรภูมิแบบตัวมาที่ติดตาม
Ayan na guys. Ayan yung boat na sasakyan natin. Ang init! Kung makita yung sarili ko, ang taas ng araw. We're going na! We're sailing na guys. You're seeing the view of Chao Phraya River. Guys, check yung tickets ha. So please make sure to keep your tickets with you. Tapos pupunitin yan para proof na nagamit nyo na. So enjoy lang natin yung view here. It's so nice. The weather is so nice. Sana it stays that way buong araw. Pero medyo mainit. Nararamdaman ko na. Dito na tayo sa Ratchawang Pier, guys. This is the stop if gusto nyo mag-Chinatown. And you know what? In fairness, walang amoy dito sa Chao Phraya. Alam ko, ganito talaga yung color niya for a specific reason. I forgot kung ano. Pero walang amoy at all. As in, hindi amoy basura. Hindi rin amoy yung typical na amoy ilog, Manila Bay, gano'n. Hindi. Dito na tayo sa pier. Oh, airport.
วัดอรุณสำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ วัดอรุณ
We're here in Wat Arun, guys. Pila na tayo for the ticket. Yung ticket for Wat Arun, guys, is 200 baht per person. Sawadee ka. 2? Takpan ka. Yung ticket nyo, guys, comes with free water. Oh my God, ang init. And guys, yung Wat Arun, ang lalaki pala nito in person. Pag nakikita ko siya sa vlog, parang hindi siya ganun kalaki. But in person, they're actually massive. Ayan, nagpo-photoshoot sila ate. Pwede kayong mag-rent nung traditional wear and then get your pictures taken. I think nabubook siya sa Klook. Grabe guys, intense yung init dito sa area na to. As in, tirik na tirik. Buti na lang may free water doon sa entrance. Up close, sobrang ornate each piece. Tapos iba-iba siya. So may porcelain, and then ito. Iba-iba yung carving, iba-iba yung parang texture. Dito yan sa may gilid, guys, ng Wat Arun. You can buy a souvenir after your excursion. Ayan, meron ding mga binibenta dito na fan. Parang replica ng Jisoo Life if wala kayong dala. Para makapunta sa Wat Pho, sasakay lang ulit tayo ng ferry para makatawid dun sa kabilang side. I just don't know kung magkano yung pamasahe. Update ko kayo later. One last look of Wat Arun. Pai, what Arun? One pineapple. Bili lang tayo nitong parang slushy. Slushy, guys. 30 baht. Hindi ko na-expect. Akala ko medyo bland siya na yung usual na flavoring. But, yeah, it's artificial but it's really good. Guys, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Just like that, andito na tayo sa may Wat Pho area. Bale, sumakay lang kami ng ferry like you saw kanina. And then, binaba tayo dito. Pagdating nyo dito guys, dito na kayo magbabayad. 10 baht yung pinakapamasahe. From here, sa kinatatayuan ko, makikita nyo na or matatanaw nyo na yung Wat Pho na temple. So, lalakarin lang natin yan. Woo! Buti na lang we bought some refresher kasi ang init. Lalakad lang tayo papunta sa pinaka-entrance. This neighborhood is cute. May mga restaurants din and cafes sa paligid nitong Wat Pho, guys. Tapos, sa sidewalk, merong mga nagtitinda ng kung ano-ano. Like ito, elephant pants. Tapos, meron ding mga merienda, pagkain. Yan, tusok-tusok. Tatawid tayo sa kabila. Tapos, papasok tayo dyan sa entrance. Let's go. Medyo bardagulan din yung pagtawid dito, guys. So, careful. Bili lang tayo ng ticket, guys. 2 tickets. Kapon ka. Scan natin. Okay. And we're in. We're inside Wat Pho, guys. Walang libreng tubig dito kahit mas mahal siya ng 100 baht. Sightseeing muna tayo dito. Medyo bumaba na yung araw, so it's not as intense as kanina. Ang ganda dito sa Wat Pho around this time, guys. It's peaceful. And siguro dahil weekday ngayon, it's not as chaotic, I would say, than what I would normally see sa mga vlogs. Need natin magtanggal ng sapatos, guys. So, kukuha kayo dito sa parang bin. Ayan, nakalagay. Take off your shoes. After natin ilagay dito yung shoes natin, papasok na tayo dyan sa entrance.
Something put in front of
Here
you.
tayo.
Alright, because
Here you go, guys. Here's the golden Buddha. And medyo magulo lang yung buhok ko kasi pinatanggal yung hat. Bawal pala yung naka-hat or naka-cap dito inside the area where the golden Buddha is. So just take note, guys. Ang laki nitong parang temple mismo, guys. Ayan. Ang laki niya. Dito. Kaya ang dami nakapila. Nakapagpa-picture na tayo dun, guys, kung nasan si Golden Buddha. And we're just admiring the beauty of this temple. Kasi kahit yung mga walls, well-decorated and very ornate. Tingnan nyo, guys. Even the walls, merong mga ganitong art. It reminds me of White Lotus for some reason. Bili tayo nito, guys. 20 baht. Tapos, isang cup na to ng barya. Ilalaglag na natin siya doon. Hanggang dun sa dulo. Medyo mahaba-haba to, guys. But by the end of it, I believe you can make your wish. We're almost through with it. Ito na lang yung natitira. Guys, we're done with the Golden Buddha, pati din sa mga paglagay ng barya. It was a pretty nice experience yung paghuhulog ng barya. For the rest of the afternoon, we'll just roam around this area of Wat Pho before we go back to the ferry. Doon na kami mag-aantay until our dinner cruise at 7 p.m. Guys, we're on our way back to Wat Arun. So from Wat Pho, naglakad lang kami papunta dito sa pier. And then, nagbayad lang kami ng 5 baht. From Wat Arun naman, doon tayo sasakay pabalik sa Icon Siam. So that's how it goes kapag gusto nyo mag-temple run. Guys, just like that, we're back here in Icon Siam. I don't know if you guys can see. Sa background ko, ayan yung Icon Siam. So, if you wanna also DIY the temple running or visiting the temples here in Thailand or Bangkok, it was really easy for us. I would say very easy to navigate siya kasi kompleto yung mga signs. And then, when you ask the locals, they will point you talaga dun sa mga spots. Just be careful of scams. Kami wala naman kaming mga na-encounter na nagsascam. Now, the next agenda is to check in for our dinner cruise for later. And then we'll just kill some time until we're ready to sail. We're here at Super Matcha, guys. I just ordered myself a coconut matcha latte. Kapkun ka. Okay. Do you have straw? Yes. Thank you. This is our coconut matcha latte. The barista said to shake it well before you drink it. So I'm gonna do that. I was contemplating between this and the pure matcha latte. But since we're in Thailand, might as well get the coconut one. Okay siya sa akin. It's bitter but may kick pa rin ng sweetness from the coconut. I think you wouldn't like this if you don't like the coconut flavor because it's pretty strong on this one. But if you just get the regular matcha latte, I think it's also good. Here's a quick look of Icon Siam during night time. Really pretty. As you can see, all the lights are up. And so many people here now. Ang dami ng tao ng ganitong oras, guys. Look at that. We're lined up now for the Meridian Cruise, guys. There's the sign. Ang laki nitong Noah Cruise, guys. Look. Apparently, from Noah Cruise, patatawirin nila kayo sa kabila. Nagdugtong sila, parang magkadikit silang ganyan. Nandito yung Noah, nandito yung Meridian. Then, binuksan nila yung daan papatawid ng Meridian Cruise. Nandito tayo sa second floor, dito sa upper deck. And we have a view of the Chao Phraya River. Beside us naman, nandito na yung pinaka-buffet, which is the good thing about this sea. Dito may Indian food, chicken tikka, chicken masala. Ayan. May sushi, meron din mga Japanese food. And then, of course, Thai food.
You are now watching a safety video demonstrating how to use
Excited
the
to
life
eat. Ito yung dessert station. Ayan, may mga fruits, pineapple, watermelon. I have my first plate here, guys. I have papaya salad, green curry, pad thai, and mushroom soup. Green curry. Papaya salad. Ayun no, kung nakikita nyo, sobrang daming chili. Pata. From this plate, I really like the papaya salad because it's spicy. And the pad thai also. Masarap.